So in this video we will see that how we can get started on Squarespace. So for that you need to click on get started on the top right. Then you will have to choose between some templates. You can apply a filter as well if you want. So I need to build a fashion website. I will click on fashion. And here I like this one. I will start with this. So it will need to create your account. If you already have your account, you need to click on login. I will log in with my account. So once you are logged in, your dashboard will appear. You can name your website as well. I will name it sample. So once everything is done, you can access all the functions and you can edit your website on the go. I hope you found this video useful. Like our video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.